2016 is our 21st anniversary of Crucial Crew, so we're having a bit of a celebration. Crucial Crew this year, we have about 14 agencies taking part and delivering safety messages for probably close to 1,800 primary children who are going to visit us during the 2-week period that we're operating for.
So it's great to attend events like this with multi-agencies. We've got the fire, we've got first aid, we've got road safety. We've also got a peer group from the local comprehensive school who are talking about antisocial behaviour. So it reaffirms the messages that we deliver in schools.
Children spend 10 minutes at each set, so they don't have a chance to get bored. It's very interactive, and then they pass from one set to another. So at the end of the morning, they've had 14 community safety messages, which will stay with them for a long time. When they leave, they get a goodie bag, and all the agencies will put some information into the goodie bag. So that's something then they will take away with them to remember the event. We do an evaluation at the end of every event, and we know from the evaluation that 80% of children remember 80% of what they will have learned today.